Hello, grade 11. Hello. We are using this textbook, Engineering Graphics and Design textbook for grade 11 by Johan Engelbrecht. Chapter 6, Solid Geometry, page 17. We will do task number 3. Right, task number 3 says figure 3 shows the front view and the auxiliary view of a right regular solid, as well as the cutting plane AA. Here is the cutting plane. This is the front view. This is the auxiliary. Auxiliary means helping. It's going to assist us. You will see in many things, in doing so many things, it will assist us. So draw the following: the given front, the front, a sectional left, a left, or a sectional top, a top, and a true shape. All construction lines must be shown. Show all construction lines. So front, top, left, first angle orthographic projection. First angle orthographic projection, you have front, top. Top is below the front, and the left. Right is on the left hand side. So because you are doing these three views, you would want to put your front and your top towards your left so that you have enough space for the left view. These two views you put there. But you cannot draw this without this view helping you. And this side is 20, each side is 20, and it lies at an angle of 30 degrees. Since it lies at an angle of 30 degrees, we have a spatial set square here. Our set squares that we use. Here's a t-square. Hello, a t-square and a set square. This set square is 30, it gives us 30 degrees. So, since this set square gives us 30 degrees, like to clean your set squares, keep them clean at all times. Right, I will start with my auxiliary. I will draw it somewhere here. There is my faint lines, an angle of 30 degrees. I must measure 20. Each side is 20. Let's check. There is 20 for each side. That is 20. Maybe I'd like to start here. That will be my 20. My 20 will be there. Drawing my 20. And then perpendicularly at 90 degrees. Draw a line over there. Since it is a pentagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Pentagon. 360 divided by 5 gives us 72. So, why I was drawing this line? So that I'm able to use my protractor and measure the angles. Line at 90 at 0. Here is 70, 1, 2, 72 degrees. There will be my first angle at 72 degrees. And also here is it 90, 19, 0, 10, 20 up to 72. 72 is there. It's supposed to be there. Now 20 is here, 20 is there, and then where they bisect each other, you will have another 20. We are almost done with our pentagon. Let's do it. You don't have to make this solid because it's a helping view. It's not there, it's just there to help us. To me, mine, it will look like as if it is solid. It's just for you to be able to see it. It's for enhancement, man. My picture quality. I'm enhancing my picture quality, guys. There we are. We have that. Now we must get it to the center, to the apex, to the tip of this pentagon here, this part. How do we get it? We bisect any two sides. We get a perpendicular bisector. What do you mean by that? Action speaks louder than words. Perpendicular bisector, this is what we do. Just over than a half here. We measure that, make an arc there, the arc there. Make an arc there, and there we are. And then where the two lines of intersecting meet, you draw a line that passes at the center there. and then this line bisects this line at 90 degrees. So I'll do it on the other side. 1, 2, there and there. So even here I will have my line here. This line meets with this line here. That is my perpendicular bisect. These two perpendicular bisector lines, where they meet, it is my tip, or you can say the apex, or the top part of the pyramid. Once you have drawn the pyramid, the auxiliary, you're helping. Remember, I keep on mentioning this so that it sticks in your head. This is your auxiliary. It helps you. It will help you. And then here, I'm trying now to draw the front view. I'll put the front view on that side. So I will simply extend all my lines there. This one is in line with that one. I'll extend there up to there. And then they told us that the height is 60 millimeters. 60 and 38. I'll measure 60 and 38. Perpendicularly it is 60. Where is 60? There is my 60. There is my 38 somewhere. It is not somewhere, it is here. Not somewhere, it is here. Now my 60, I will do this. My 60, here is my center. 1, 2, 3. Then we will have that. Remember, this is at 90 degrees. And then, since it's at 90 degrees, I'm transferring this line to there, that 30, 38. It's there. It will touch there. And on the other side, the cutting plane will be 8 millimeters from here. 8 millimeters. So I measure the 8 millimeters. I'll measure the 8 millimeters. Then my cutting plane will be here. This will be my cutting plane. This will be my cutting plane. Cutting plane A. This tip or the apex of this pentagonal pyramid, this part, I'll call it 0. Maybe here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which means here I will have 5. Behind 5 there is 4. It's 1. Behind 1 there is 3. There is 2. There is my 0. Once you have a 0, it is like that. Now this is my ground line. I'll make my ground line here, the main ground line. Remember XY line. This is my XY line. This is the main principal views, which is the front and the top. Ground line is ground line. We'll call it XY line. Then I will project my 0, 5 and 4, 1 and 3. I will have my 2 somewhere there. Now, between the auxiliary and the front, I must create another ground line. Where is my ground line? My ground line, I can put it here somewhere here. I put my ground line here. There is the ground line. This one, just to differentiate it from this main one, is for auxiliary. I will say X1, Y1. Say X1, Y1. Right. After I've done that, Auxiliary, helping view. Now 1. Here is 1. 1 is in line with 3. So I'll measure that distance to 1 from the ground line to 1. Here is my 1. From the ground line to 1. From the ground line to 1. Here is my 1. There is it. From the ground line to 1. And then from the ground line, now 2. From the ground line to 2. There is 2. Ground line to 2. Now 2 sugala. Ground line to 2. So that I do not forget, this was my 1, this is my 2. From the ground line to 3. There is my 3. Now 3 wam la khona. From the ground line to 3. There we are. Ground line to 3. 3 and 1 are on the same line. From the ground line, I will have my 3 here. From the ground line to 4. Ground line to 4. There is my 4. Now, there is 4. It starts here. From the ground line, I will have my 4 here. 4. And then 5 is in line with 4. Ground line to 5. Ground line to 5. Here is 4 and 5. Ground line to 5. You don't have to use a pen. I'm using a pen just for clarity, for visibility, so that you are able to see my numbering and so on and so forth. Because it will be difficult to erase a pen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is joined to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, and so on. 1 is joined to 2. Very faintly, 2 is joined to 3. 3 is joined to 4. That is the base, the bottom base. 4 is joined to 5. And then 5 is joined to 1. 5 is joined to 1. There is the base, that is it. And then all of them, they converge, they move up the pyramid. They all will go to 1. 1 and 3 to 0, 2 to 0, 5 and 4 to 0. They all converge to 0, 0, 0. Now let's take 0 now. 0 from the ground line to 0. From the ground line to 0. Here there is my 0. Ground line to 0. 0 is here. There is my 0. 1 goes to 0, 2 to 0, 3 to 0, 4 to 0, 5 to 0. All of them, they go to 0. Let's start. 1 very faintly goes to 0, 2 to 0, 3 to 0, 4 to 0, 5 to 0. They all converge at 0. Now the cutting plane, where do they cut? Let's check. 2 cuts here. 2 cuts here. 2 cuts here. That is 2. 1 and 3 cut there. 1 and 3 cut there. 3, there is 3 cuts here. 1 cuts here. 4 and 5. Allah! 4 and 5 have not been cut. 4 and 5 have not been cut. The cutting starts here. The cutting starts here. It starts here. There is the cutting. Okay. This is the part that we need to explain thoroughly. It's some kind of confusing. This cut here. This cut here. Look. 1, 3, and 2. They have been removed. 1, 3, and 2. They have been removed. 1, 3, and 2. From here. From here. 1, 2, 3 have been removed. What has survived is 5 to 4, and as 4 goes to 3, it will end there. As 5 goes to 1. Let's check. 5 goes to 1. Here is 1. 5. As 5 goes to 1, it cuts here. As 4 goes to 3, it ends there. 4 goes to 3, it ends there. But 3, where did it cut 3? It cuts 3 here, here, here. 3 has been cut here, not here. It's cut here. Here, well, it's, wait a minute. There is 3. Oh, this one is for 2. This line is for 2. Where is my 2? My 2 has been cut here. This is the cut for 2. 2 is cut here. 3, where is 3? 3 is cut here. Here is 3. 3 is cut here. 2 here, 3 there. I will do this just for the sake that you are able to see. This is for 2. This is cut for 2. And then 3 and 1. 1. This is cut for 1. This one. 3 and 1. And 2 is here. 3 is there. And then 4 has not been cut. And 5 has not been cut. So we are saying, now we are joining the cuts only. The cuts. The cuts. I may start at 1. 1 is here. From 1 to 2, we cut. I'm joining the cut. 1 to 2. And then from 2 to 3, here is 3, the line of 3. From 2 to 3, and then 3 to 4. But remember, 3, it ends there, but the cut has started there. From 3, it will not go straight to 4. It will go there. It will go that side. It will go that side because 4 has not been cut. I cannot take it here. There is no cut here. The cut is there somewhere there. It is here. So I will take it there. That cut will go there. And then it will come down here from 4. Even 5 has not been cut. From this point it goes to 1. It goes to 1. That is the cut surface. It is the surface that has been cut. Cut. 1, 2, 3, 4 has not been cut. The cut goes up to that side. And then it goes right down. And then 5 has not been cut. It started cutting as 5 moved towards 1. As 5 moved towards 1, it cuts there. So from 1, I said it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. All those 5 points, it shows the cut surface. Then you section it. Then you section the cut surface. Section the cut surface where your saw has been. You make sure that these lines are equally spaced. Right, here is the cut surface. Now let's see what we are able to see. We are looking at it from the top. From the top, from our eyes are from this side. We are able to see 2. 2, we are seeing 2 up to there. Where is 2? There is 2. 2, we are able to see 2 up to there. We are able to see 2 from the top. Obviously, 3 and 1, you'll be able to see them from the top on that side. 3 is the last part on this side, and 1 on the opposite end. Amaphiko akhona impiko 1 and 3. From the top, you are able to see 1 and 3. Obviously, the outside line, outline. Right, this outline, you are able to see them. You are able to see them. Right. And then 1 and 3. What about 2, 1, 3 and 2? We are able to see that. But 4 and 5. 4 and 5, they are hidden. 1 and 3, they hide 4 and 5. 1 and 3, they hide 4 and 5 at the bottom. So 4 has not been cut. 4, it goes up to here, to 0. 4 has not been cut. So it is a hidden detail. 4. And then 5 has not been cut, but you cannot see it. It is a hidden detail. 5, you cannot see it. It is a hidden detail. 5. And then as 5 goes to 4, 5 goes to 4, you are from the top there, you can't see it. As 5 goes to 4, it's also a hidden detail here. As 5 goes to 4. Then you are done with your, and then the rest has been removed. It's not there, it's not there, it's not there, it's not there. So that will be your top view. Now change it, change direction, 45 degrees set square. Let's change this direction here. Maybe we can say x2, y2, or another plane. We're going that side, but we're changing to the other direction. Then we're searching for the left view. Voila! Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Now 1 is here, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is here, 5 is there. Where is 4? 4. I took it from the wrong part. Wait, 4 is here. 4 is here, not there. That one is not 4. 4 is here. There is 4. 5 is there. 5 is here, not the cut. We're not talking about the cut surface. It's 5. 5 is here. And 0 is in line with 2 on the side. Then we transfer that vertically up, guys. 1 and there. Oh, let me do this. Let me just do this. Let me do it this way. Swing, 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 and swing. Is this one? Not that one. Not that one. This one. And then let's check this side across. We have a 0, 0, 2, 3 and 1, 4 and 5. Come on, let's do it. Let's check now. 1 is here. 1 from the other side. There is 1. 2 is this one. 2. Where is 2? 2 is there. That is 2. 3 is that one. There. Where is 3? 3 is here. 3 is here. 3 is here. 4. 4 is here. This is 4. 4 is here. 4. 5. 5. There is 4. 5 is in line with 4. Wait, 5 is in line with 4. That is 5. 0, where is 0 in line with 2? 0 is here. That is my 0. We do it again. Guys, we do it again. The base, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's join. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very faintly. From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 from 5 to 1 again. And all of them, 1 to 5, they all go to 0. They all go to 0. Let me take them to 0, where they belong, up where they belong. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Looks like that. But now it has been cut. It has been cut. We're looking at it from the left. It has been cut. Where is the cut? Let's look at the cut, guys. The cut starts here. The cut starts here. There is the cut. The cut. There is the cut there. Anything below this cut, 4 and 5 have not been cut. 4 and 5. 4 and 5 you are able to see them. And then it's there. Here it cuts 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 1 and 3 it cuts there. Okay, which is it's there. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. And then 2 is cut there. 2 is cut there. 2 is cut there. And then 5 and 4. When looking at it from that side, from the left, 5 and 4, flat surfaces, pants, left flat pants. 5 and 4 have not been cut. 5 and 4 have not been cut. We know that, we talked about that. But as 4 goes to 3, 4 goes to 3, I cut 4 to 3, 5 to 1. 5 to 1, bam katala. 4 to 3, cut here. Cut starts there. The cut starts there. As it goes to 1 and as it goes to 3, the cut starts there. There is the cut. So let's start from 1. So we join now. 1. The cut for 1. 1, it cuts here. It joins 2. 1, 2, 3. Doesn't go to 4. It ends there. 4. Here with 5. From 5 it goes back to 1. There we are. So we section immediately after we've joined the cut. Just section the part that has been cut. Sectional lines here, they were going that direction. Okay, this one will go the other direction. It's fine. 1, 2, 3. Right. While looking from that direction, we can see 4 and 5. 4 to 5. As 4 goes to 1 and 3, it goes up until here. As 4 goes to 1 and 3, it goes up until here. As 4 goes to 3, it was cut here. And then as 5 goes to 1, actually cut there. Now from that end, when you're looking at from the left, you are able to see 2, this part of 2. 2, you are able to see that part. Part of 2 that joins here. Obviously, even the outline you will see them, the outline, the line that is outside. There you will see that. And then as 4 goes to 4 is always hidden by, you are looking at it from that side. As 4 goes to 0, 4 goes to 0. As 4 goes to 0, you will not be able to see it. It is on the, because you are looking at it from this side. It's like below. It's like it is below on the other side, because you are from that side. Is that side you cannot see 4 and 5. 4 and 5 as they go there, you are unable to see that. 4 and 5. They are hidden by 2. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. 3 starts here. 3 you are able to see it as it moves up, but it starts here. 3 and 1 on either side. On either side you are able to see them as they move up. Starts there and there. There we are. We have now our left view. Now the true shape. The true shape. Now for us to be able to draw the true shape, what we do here, you can draw it somewhere there. Let's check. You can draw it somewhere here up there. This line there. Take that line. For you to be able to get to the true shape. Let me take it this way. You play around with your set squares until you get the right position. There we are. I'm taking it from here. It's either I drop it to do it at the other side, or I take it up there. I'm going to do it there, over there. There is the. I'm drawing a line that is parallel to that one. Towards x2, y2, x3, y3. Now, perpendicularly to those lines, I draw a perpendicular line from this one. There are three. It cuts here, it cuts here, it cuts here, it cuts there. There are three. I draw perpendicular lines to this one. To draw a perpendicular line, I will have another set square here. It will give me a perpendicular line there. Perpendicular line there. Perpendicular line even there. Or you can use a method of transferring. You can draw a line even somewhere here, straight line. You can draw just a straight line here. Or where? Here, let's check. Oh, it's not visible from my drawing board, it's fine. But you can take this measurement and transfer. You will transfer measurements. Now, let's start. These lines are parallel to the ground line. Their representation on the other side here are the true lengths. Or, how do I explain this one? Let's look at where it cuts to. I want you to look at where it cuts to. It cuts to here. 2 is cut here. From 2 to 0. From this cut to 0. That line there is not parallel to the ground line. This one is parallel to the ground line, which means that side you are seeing the true length. We are seeing the true length. So even from your cut surface, this part, I'm looking at the cut surface now. Let's look here. 1, 2, 3. Let's look at it from here. From here, it's parallel to the ground line. Here, that side, 1, 2, 3, we are seeing the true length representation there. We are seeing the true length representation. Or, we can put it another way. There's so many ways you can explain it. You have your what do you call it? You have your pentagonal pyramid. Our pentagonal pyramid, it is parallel to this ground line. Our pentagonal, the whole of pentagonal pyramid is parallel to the ground line. That one, that side, you are seeing the true length. That is why we even measured that 60 there. Where was this? Our 60 that we measured from the center to there. We measured our 60. We are seeing the true length there. I don't think I've explained it well. But nevertheless, your teacher might explain it further for you. So from the ground line to 2, this side, ground line to 2. This will help as an auxiliary view because I'm looking at it directly from the top from that side. But now, okay, from the ground line to 2. No. Still thinking about the best way of explaining that. I'm not confident with what I'm saying. From the ground line to 2, there is the line that represents. There is the ground line to 2. 2 will be there. There will be my 2 here. And then the ground line to this one, ground line to that one. There is the ground line to 3. Ground line to 3 and 1. That is 3. Where is 1? Ground line is the same line. Ground line to 1. From there we will take it to 1. 1 will be here. 1 will be okay. 1 will be here again. You could not see that. 3. There is the line for 3 and 1 to the ground line to 1. There it is. And then this 2, the cut surface of 2, there it is, there from the ground line to 2. And then I'll go to 5 and to 4 and 5. 4, where is my cut surface? It cuts here, the cut surface. We're only considering the cut surface. It's there. There is the cut surface. It is here, the cut surface. It is this part here. And then the other one will be that one there. So you will have this as your cut surface. Surface, and then you section it. Alright, I'll choose this. Section the cut surface. This way I will use another. This is the true shape. We are looking at it directly on that side, looking at the true shape. These are the true lengths. You must have the true lengths for you to be able to look at it from the true shape. The true shape, you're looking at it at an angle of 90 degrees. Here, when you look at it here, you are looking at it directly from this side. This length, it looks like it is that length, which does not give us the true length. But once you look at it perpendicular at 90 degrees, you'll be helped by your auxiliary view. You will have it that way. Maybe your teacher, I don't like the way I've explained it, this part here, how I'm doing this part, where you have to take, you are going to use this as your auxiliary as you transfer the distances. Distances, you'll get them from here, but that one it gives you the true lengths from this side, from here to there. That gives us the true length of the true shape, gives us the true length. And then you transfer there the cut surfaces, the corners of the cut surface. It will look like that. I hope you have enjoyed it. You must do it in 20 minutes, 25 minutes. I was explaining some of the time, but the more you do it, you will increase in speed. I thank you. See you in the next video.